18th. Hey guys, it's voice actor Bobby G. It is February 18th, 2025. And look at this. This is a big snowstorm in Tulsa, Oklahoma right now. And oh my lord, it is freezing outside. And look at all that wind, dude. Oh my god. Wow. It's really windy outside, and there's a lot of winter weather everywhere. And it's just really, really windy outside. Oh, Jesus. My goodness, all this wind, dude. Jeez. Getting right on my face and everything. But I'm standing in the doorway. Look at all this wind, dude. You can even see it on the balcony there. All that snow. But yeah, it's a winter storm warning going on right now. And you can see lots of snow coming down and everything. This is just nuts. My lord. Where was this during Christmas? You know what I mean? But yeah, it's really cold outside, and my hands are already getting freezing. Just standing near the doorway. But yeah, this is dangerous, dangerous weather we're having right now, everybody. That can really cause car crashes and everything if you're not careful. And I'm recording this while my dad is away picking up my mom right now from work. So, and oh my lord, I'm getting snow in the house. Brr, it's so cold. No car coming. Anyway, yeah, it's lots and lots and lots of snow. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. Oh, my God, it's so cold. But, yeah, that's what's going on right now in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And the snow's getting in here, so here's the window, and it's covered in ice right now. So I'm surprised it didn't cut out the internet yet. But I'm using a hotspot right now, so I don't know if it'll cut the hotspot or not. But that is crazy, crazy, crazy weather. Unusual weather we're having, ain't it? Oh, wait a minute. I think my dad is still here. I think that's his car, right? But yeah, lots of weather going on right now. Man, it's freezing up now. But that's what's going on outside right now. See all that snow. And I'm freezing to death. It's just unreal. We don't often get winter storms like this in Tulsa lately. And now we are getting it. But yeah, that's a crazy, crazy winter storm right here, everybody. We don't often get these every now and then, but when we do, we do. It's beautiful, though. I'm not gonna lie. Can you see the flag down there, just flowing? There it is. See the flag? It's just flowing in the wind. The American flag. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. I kept saying that. I apologize. But anyway, If it gets more crazy, I'll come back out here to record, but again, really crazy winter weather going on. I figured I'd just show this off real quick. So, yeah. Anyway, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll post more YouTube videos in the future. Maybe more RVCAI videos or more Hazard Hotel content or My Little Pony content for all of you guys. I know I've been inactive lately and I apologize. But I'll eventually get to it. I've just been really busy with real life stuff. So, yeah. Anyway, pretty. Take care, everybody.